People, in this video, we are going to be exploring Jamaican remedies that are over 100 years old. And beside me is this 90 plus years old elder that has this to say.
I am 93 plus years old. With the use of these Jamaican remedies, coupled with my lifestyle, I am able to stay away from modern medicine. I am still able to walk almost every day 3 to 4 miles.
Wow, we have heard what our elder has just said. And in this video, we are going to explore some of the remedies that he has been using and that was used even way back from the 1930s. But before we dive into it, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and remember to share this video with your friends. Let's go. All right, people. So here's our elder. You know, he's making his way. Definitely. You know, he has a machete in his hand and he's going to reap one of the herbs that he said he has been using from the 1930s, people. You hear what I said? From the 1930s. Can you imagine? And you realize that he's going for it. Right, so it looks like he has found something here. So he's making his way. So we can see that he knows exactly what he's doing. And you can see that he's actually pulling this from the ground. Right? So it seems as if whatever he's looking for has to do with roots. You know, so we want to see exactly what he's taking out and give him an opportunity even to express and to explain what is it that he's seeking, what is it that he's taking out. And you can realize that he's checking the root to make sure. So he's digging right now. And remember what he said earlier, he's 93 plus years old. So this is a part of his way of life, you know, because the herbs are definitely for the healing of the nation's people. And you can see him digging. A very strong elderly man digging, and you can see that he knows exactly how to use his machete. Right, so he's removing the soil and you see him digging. All right, people, it seems as if he has gotten something there. It's like a hidden treasure. Let's see exactly what it is. Oh, so could you just look at the camera and tell me what exactly that is?
This is the arrowroot.
Okay, so this is what you call arrowroot.
Yes.
Oh,
It is used for strengthening the immune system and general building of the body.
how long has this been around?
Well, from I was a child, I used it.
And that's about what year?
And that's from 1932.
Oh, wow, that's a long time. And this is something that have been prevalent in your time, being used by a lot of people.
Yes, this was almost a staple for most families.
Thank you very much. So you realize, people, that he knows exactly what he's looking for, right? So I'm taking this up now in my hand. Arrowroot. Very, very powerful. And you heard our elder here. It's coming all the way, being used from even the 1930s, right? And this is one of those ancient Jamaican remedies. So he's actually reaping, people, from the ground. Can you hold that up for us again? Let us see it. And what were you saying about supplement?
It was supplement for dietary use.
For dietary use?
Yes.
Okay. All that I'm looking at right here, there are root like with these leaves. Okay, so you can just show me the leaves again. Just one person to be able to identify the leaves. So once I see the leaves looking like this, it's normally arrowroot, right?
Right.
Okay, okay.
Arrowroot is considered as a healthy starch.
All right, people. So our elder is getting some more arrowroot, and arrowroot is light on the stomach and often used for digestive issues, making it suitable for children, elderly, and those recovering from illnesses. Right? Another thing about the arrowroot, people, is that it is safe for people with celiac disease or gluten intolerance. In addition to that, it supports weight management as it is less calorie dense than other starches. It is rich in minerals, contains potassium, iron, and B vitamins that support overall health. It's like literally, people, you're digging for a treasure, right? And this is what our elder is doing now at his age, being 93 plus years old, right? He's still at it because this has become a particular way of life for him. All right, it seems as if he's getting something there. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look how big that is. And this is what we call arrowroot, people. This is a big one here, right? And I believe that we have had enough now, you know, so he's going to show us how to actually prepare the arrowroot. And some more benefits of the arrowroot, people, is that it supports stomach health. You know, it soothes the stomach. It reduces irritation in the digestive tract. Its starch content can firm stools or act as a gentle bulking agent. All right, people. So our elder has just reaped and showed us how to reap one of the first Jamaican herbs, you know, that is over 100 years old, the famous Jamaican arrowroot. And he's now making his way back to show us how to prepare the arrowroot. And every day, people, we learn so many different things, right? And the Jamaican arrowroot, it's also very excellent for a healthy colon as it supports gut health and healthy gut bacteria. All right, people. All right, so our elder just washing the arrowroot here. Right, and you can see the water is dirty, you know, because obviously it's coming from the ground, right? It's one of those roots that is very effective and nutritious for the body. All right, so you realize that he's cleaning it up properly, you know, and he really takes his time to get the job done properly. All right,
Here I am ready to grate these.
he mentioned that, you know, these are a little bit young, so we won't get a lot of starch from it. However, it's just showing us how to actually do it ourselves. Having doing this for such a long time, he knows exactly what he's doing.
We are going to put this through a strainer.
And I realize you pour a little water on it.
Yes. Okay, and we are going to squeeze all the liquid out.
Seems like a very strong still, man.
We are going to put this aside to rest where it will settle for a while. All this starch will remain in the bottom, be a little sticky. Alright, I'll just pour off this water. Rest it in the sun to dry. Let it dry for about 20 minutes. From there we can begin to process it for consumption. I am going to show you a Jamaican remedy which I started to use in the 1940s.
The 1940s. 1940s, people. You got to stick around to see this one because we want to know which remedy you were using in the 1940s. All right, so let's go. All right, people, see our elder walking now. He's about to show us something now, and he mentioned that he started using this from the 1940s. So we want to see what it is. All right, so what do you have there?
This is leaf of life.
Leaf of life. Oh,
This is used for colds, flu, yes, and coughing. And I'm going to show you how we use it in the 1940s.
all right, so he's about to show us now how he used to use the leaf of life in the 1940s, people. All right, so we see that he's taking off the leaves and placing them in this container here. And what we are learning is how our elder in the 1940s utilized these powerful leaves to help with the common cold, to help with flu, to help with coughing as well. And he's not now going to rinse them off. So here comes the water. All right, so pouring water over, and he's just washing off like the dirt, you know, off the leaves, and making these leaves fit for consumption. All right, he's really focused on what he's doing.
The big thing about this leaf of life is that you drop the leaf and it will take root.
You can even drop the leaf and it will grow.
Yes.
Wow, definitely has life in it. So we see that he has a cloth here. See that he's breaking them a little bit. So he's breaking the leaves, and he's now going to place those broken leaves of the leaf of life in a cloth, right? And we're watching to see what he's going to do, right? And remember now, he has been doing this for a long time, so he knows exactly what he is doing. All right, so he rests it down on a surface, a solid surface, and he's now using the handle of a knife to beat the leaves inside of this. All right, you realize that this is really an old-time way of getting it done. So the back of a knife, you know, sometimes even the machete, you know, would be utilized as well. So he now flips it, and he's doing the other part that has not yet been done, and you can see that obviously juice has started to flow from it, because you can see the different color on the cloth now, right? So definitely we know that something is happening here, and you can look at how he's really focused in what he's doing, you know, getting it done properly. So we can even see some of the juice actually spilling here. Wow.
Just getting the cloth in a position whereby I can really squeeze it without too much of the cloth absorbing the liquid.
Okay. And that is a wise approach. So you're about to squeeze it now?
Yes.
Okay. Wow. He's now squeezing the juice literally out, people. You see that? Medicine right there. And he said that this is what he used to use for like the cold.
Yeah.
And what you do with it now?
Drink it.
All right. And how it tastes?
It has a taste of its own. It's quite mild.
And when you drink it, like how you feel immediately afterwards?
where they just will not feel anything so different. No, you just know that it is wholesome juice.
Excellent.
Another way of taking the juice here out, separating the juice from the leaf, is to use a juice extractor, which is more effective because you get everything out. I'm going to show you another remedy that I started using in 1940s.
Can see how fast our elder is walking as he's now going to show us Jamaican remedy number 3. We can see him looking. You see what you need?
Yes, here it is. The seriously.
Oh,
I would use this by crushing the leaves. There is a juice inside there. Of course, when it is green, and you can use it and rub it onto your hand or any part of your body where there's a rash, and it will disappear in no time. Another way of using seriously is that you usually, when it is dry, you can make a tea from it. Cleanses the blood.
all right, people. So he has one more Jamaican remedy, that he has been using from late 1930s into the 40s, all the way to presently in 2025, right? And apparently it's hidden here, so he's making way right now, to get to it, right? And we really want to see what it is. We just realized that he reaped it already. And what is it called?
Aloe vera.
And what do you use it for?
It's also an excellent herb for cleansing.
So you use it for cleansing. Yes. And I realize that you're peeling it now. How you plan to use it?
I just eat it. What would you call it? The pulp.
So here it is, people. Right? Aloe vera. And that yellow part that is dripping off, persons normally use it like in wounds for like minor cuts, insect bites, right? And it helps with wound recovery and healing. Definitely. He's actually trying to get to the gel. The gel has been used for such a long time, right? To purge and cleanse your body. And this has been a part of your routine.
The taste is not all that pleasant.
The taste is not all that pleasant.
But it does the job.
Can you imagine this, people? At 93 plus years old, he's able to do pull-ups. This is amazing. And there you have it, people. Our elder, he has just given us remedies that he has utilized over the years that has even kept him alive and strong, and we really appreciate him. We really appreciate him taking the time out even to enlighten us, giving us insight of even what used to happen back then, and we are really, really grateful for this. So I just want to give a big shout out for all the persons who have stick around to the end, and we really appreciate you, and thank you for watching this video.
Thank you.
Definitely one love. Shalom.